Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope you are fine. May Allah keep you all in good health. Dear students, I hope you are watching the video lectures attentively and learning all the new concepts. In the previous video lecture, I explained worksheet number 7, that is determiner and its types. In today's video, I'll discuss all the activities of worksheet number 7. So let's get started. Worksheet number 7, Determiners. This is worksheet number 7 in your workbook, page number 28. Let's start with activity number 1. So the question is, underline the determiners in these sentences. Number 1, most people believe there should be more primary schools in our country. Here, just before the noun people, most people, a quantitative determiner. So underline most. Then before primary schools, schools is a noun. Before schools, primary is an adjective that tells the quality of a school, that what kind of school is that. That is an adjective. Just before an adjective, more is a quantitative determiner. So underline more. Then our country. Country is a noun, and before a noun there is a possessive determiner, our country. So underline this one. There are 3 determiners in the first sentence, most, more and our. Number 2, neither man could give description of jewels that were stolen from the museum. So neither man, just before the noun man, neither, underline it. This is a determiner. Then at the end of the sentence, the museum, telling that there is a specific museum that we are talking about. So underline the. It is a determiner. Third sentence, Maria returned to her home later that week. Here, her shows the possession. It is a possessive determiner. Underline it. And then that week. Which week? Pointing toward that week. It is a demonstrative determiner. Underline it. Number 4, please don't spend more than the amount we have decided. Which amount? The amount that we have already decided. So this is a definite article, the, and here it is used as a determiner that determines the amount that has been discussed already. So underline the. Number 5, the mangoes and the pineapples look fresh and juicy. Here before mangoes and pineapples, the definite article is used as a determiner. So underline the and the pineapple, the 2 times. Number 6, I shall take some pastries and biscuits for my aunt. So some pastries. Here some shows the quantitative determiner. Underline it. For my aunt. Underline my. It's a possessive determiner. Number 7, the black buck is an endangered animal in our country. Black buck, a noun. Just before that, the determiner the, underline it. An endangered animal, underline an. Our country, our is a possessive determiner, underline our. Number 8, we should eat less fats and more proteins. Underline less and more. These are 2 quantitative determiners. Number 9, many coconut trees grow in Sindh and Balochistan. So underline many, that shows the quantity, it's a quantitative determiner. Number 10, Leila gave a dinner party to a few close friends. Before the dinner party, underline this is a determiner. A few, giving a quantity, it is a quantitative determiner. And a few are the determiners in these sentences. Activity number 2. The question is, choose the correct determiner from the following. You have been given 2 options and you have to choose one. More appropriate one. Number 1, can you lend me dash money? So there are options some or many. So with money comes some. You can encircle it or put a tick mark on it. Some money. To buy dash books. No books or some books. Of course, you need money to buy some books. Underline or tick mark some. In both options, some is the correct determiner. Number 2. One of dash men, a man or the man. A comes with a singular, so it is totally inappropriate. The correct option is the. Was carrying dash of milk bottles. A large number of, neither of. So, one of the men was carrying a large number. A large number here is more appropriate. So, mark this as a correct option. Number 3. Akbar was dash great king. A or the? Yes, it is the. A definite article, the, is used as a determiner here. The great king who has been known all over the world, who ruled in India dash years ago. Each years ago, totally wrong. Many years ago. Correct option is many. Number 4. Dash boy standing next to the table is my cousin Wasim. That boy or one boy? Here, that is a correct determiner. The correct option, demonstrative determiner. That. Number 5. Neither or more. Dash boy was interested in joining. So which boy is interested in joining? Neither boy. We'll choose the option neither boy. It is correct and appropriate determiner. Joining dash rock climbing classes. A or the? Here the is the correct option. The rock climbing classes. I is totally wrong because classes are plural. 6. Number 6. I find that I get very dash sleep these days. Little sleep or this sleep? This is totally wrong. Little is the correct option. Number 7. Parveen has been working dash afternoon and she wants dash cup of tea. Parveen has been working dash afternoon, all afternoon. All is the correct option. She wants a cup of tea. A is the appropriate determiner here. Number 8. I had expected to see dash animals on the farm. Correct option is more animals on the farm. More is the correct determiner. Number 9. What are dash tall white buildings that I can see? Those or many? Those is a correct determiner. So mark those. What are those tall buildings that I can see in dash distance? The distance. So mark the. It is the appropriate determiner here. Number 10. Dash morning Rahil stopped. This or many? This is a correct option. The correct determiner is this morning Rahil stopped at dash mosque. The mosque. The is the correct determiner here. Activity number 3. Fill in the blanks by using following determiners. More, much, many, little, less, least, few, fewer, fewest. So out of these you have to use in the following activity. Let's start with number 1. If Kamran ate dash chocolates, he would lose some of his extra weight. So here, less is the most appropriate determiner. Number 2, I don't have dash time, so please be punctual for the appointment. I don't have much time. Much is the appropriate determiner here. Number 3, Zahid is the best. Dash sportsmen can play as well as him. Here, few sportsmen. Number 4, how dash times I had told you not to call me by that nickname? How many times? Many is the determiner here. Number 5, my aunt did not possess dash clothes, but the dash she had were exquisite. So, in the first blank, did not possess many clothes. Aunt did not possess many clothes, but few she had. So, many and few are the two determiners. Number 6, the roads were not too crowded today. There were dash cars than I expected. Less is the appropriate determiner here. Number 7, dash people think of her as a talented dancer. Many people. Many is the more appropriate determiner here. Number 8, this week I shall go through your homework in detail. I have dash free time than I had last week. So I have more free time. More will come in the blank. Number 9, very dash characters in the book are described as clearly as in Sir Lancelot. So very few. Few is the appropriate determiner here. Number 10, this path of dash resistance will never take you to the heights of success. The path of less resistance. Less is the appropriate determiner here. Activity number 4, fill in the blanks with determiners of your choice. This is a creative activity that you have to do. So let's get started. Dash rich people had gone to see dash great preacher who sat on dash hill. It looks like a story. So we'll start putting appropriate determiners. So number 1 blank will get some rich people, it is more appropriate here, had gone to see the great preacher who sat on a hill. Now we'll have to see which appropriate determiner will fill the blank, whether definite article or indefinite article, whether the thing we are talking about is particular or has been discussed before or not. As dash person approached him, the person approached him, he put something from his bag into the bowl. Bowl laying at the preacher's feet. Why the preacher's? Because preacher has been talked about before in the story. So something that has already been talked about, that you already know in the story, we put definite article, the, before that. Only a few had a heart to give generously. The preacher smiled but never said a word to anyone. Later during day, the poor young shepherd came. He saw that but did not put the money in the bowl. The peasant had only few rupees which his mother had given him for lunch. Now you see all the appropriate determiners. His mother, possessive determiner, comes here. Few rupees. So, a quantitative determiner will fill this blank. He went up to the preacher and placed the money in the bowl. The preacher smiled at the simple boy. When the boy returned home, he saw his home had turned into a palace with many luxuries. Now here the appropriate determiner is many luxuries. If you'll put few or a few, that will be wrong. Because according to the story, his palace is filled with many luxuries. The peasant bowed his head and thanked the Almighty. Dear students, I hope you have understood all the activities. Now you have to watch the video carefully and understand all the activities. Fill all the activities on workbook with the help of pictures provided to you in PDF. Learn all activities by heart. Thank you, students.